The key to curing diseases like Alzheimer's, cancer, and even rare genetic disorders lies hidden in the twists and turns of proteins. And what if I said that by 2025, we have unlocked that key, not in decades, but in days. Welcome to the era of AlphaFold 3, where artificial intelligence is revolutionizing drug discovery by solving the most complex protein structures known to science. Stick around, because what you're about to see will change the way you think about medicine forever. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into one of the most exciting advancements in bioinformatics and biotechnology, AlphaFold 3. If you thought AlphaFold 2 was groundbreaking, wait until you see what this next generation AI can do. By 2025, AlphaFold 3 is not just predicting protein structures, it's accelerating drug discovery, unraveling the mysteries of life, and paving the way for treatments we once thought were impossible. So let's break it all down. First, let's rewind a bit. Proteins are the workhorses of life. They carry out almost every function in our bodies, from digesting food to fighting infections. But to do their jobs, proteins must fold into precise 3D shapes. For decades, figuring out these shapes was one of biology's biggest challenges. Until AlphaFold came along. AlphaFold, developed by DeepMind, made headlines in 2020 by solving the protein folding problem, a challenge that had stumped scientists for 50 years. But AlphaFold 3, it's on a whole new level. AlphaFold 3 isn't just faster and more accurate, it's smarter. While AlphaFold 2 could predict single protein structures, AlphaFold 3 can model protein complexes, including how proteins interact with DNA, RNA, and even small molecules like drugs. This is a game changer for drug discovery. Imagine being able to design a drug that perfectly fits into a protein's active site, like a key in a lock. With AlphaFold 3, that's no longer science fiction. It's happening right now. By 2025, AlphaFold 3 is being used in labs and pharmaceutical companies worldwide. Here is how it's transforming drug discovery. Number 1. Target identification. AlphaFold 3 can predict the structures of previously unknown proteins, helping researchers identify new drug targets. Number 2. Drug design. By modeling how proteins interact with potential drugs, AlphaFold 3 is speeding up the design of precision medicine. Number 3. Understanding diseases. It's revealing the structural basis of diseases, from misfolded proteins in Alzheimer's to mutations in cancer. Let's look at some real-world examples. In 2025, AlphaFold 3 helped researchers design a drug for a rare genetic disorder called progeria, which causes rapid aging in children. By modeling the defective protein responsible for the disease, scientists were able to develop a treatment in record time. Another breakthrough. AlphaFold 3 is being used to tackle antibiotic resistance by understanding how bacterial proteins evolve to resist drugs. Researchers are designing next-generation antibiotics that stay one step ahead of superbugs. But it doesn't stop there. AlphaFold 3 is also revolutionizing personalized medicine. By analyzing a patient's unique protein structure, doctors can tailor treatments to their specific genetic makeup. This means fewer side effects, better outcomes, and a future where medicine is as unique as you are. Of course, with extraordinary ability comes with extraordinary commitment. The rise of AlphaFold 3 raises important ethical questions. Who owns the data? How do we ensure these tools are used for good? And what happens if this technology falls into the wrong hands? These are questions we need to address as a global community. But one thing is for sure, AlphaFold 3 is a tool for hope, and its potential to improve lives is limitless. And here is something to blow your mind. AlphaFold 3 isn't just changing life on Earth, it's also helping us explore space. By 2025, scientists are using it to study extremophile proteins that could survive on Mars, paving the way for future space colonies. So, what does the future hold? With AlphaFold 3, we are not just solving protein structure, we are solving some of humanity's biggest challenges. From curing diseases to exploring the cosmos, this technology is reshaping our world in ways we are only beginning to understand. If you are as excited about AlphaFold 3 as I am, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what breakthroughs do you think AlphaFold 3 will enable next. And don't forget to share this video with your friends, because the future of bioinformatics is something everyone needs to see. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.